Bula everyone, Baron Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate. Come walk with me, check out this amazing freehold lot we have for sale in Maui Bay, which is along the coral coast of the main island called Viti Levu, of the 333 Fijian islands that make up this fabulous country. You can build your dream home right here and not only see the ocean, but you can hear it. And you've got one of the 340 lots available here in the original development, and all these owners have access to the clubhouse and the boat dock, swimming pool, and all that. Lots of amenities here. Great freehold property to build your dream home. Find out more about this. Go to professionalsfiji.com. Call us at +679 999 2051. Vanaka.